Here we're given a transformation from V into itself, and we're told basically what the transformation does for V plus 2W and V minus W. And notice that both of the outcomes are in terms of V and W. And we're asked to find what T does to V and T does to W specifically, so without those combinations. And we're going to use the fact that T is a linear transformation to do this because, again, we get to use those nice combination properties. So to find T of V and T of W, what this basically means is solve for V and W in terms of the expressions that we know about. So V plus 2W and V minus W. So V, well, I guess if I actually do V plus 2W minus V minus W, then what I'm going to get is actually 3W. So that tells me that W is a third of V plus 2W minus a third of V minus W. And so that means I can find T of W by basically just using the transformation on this. So T of W is going to be a third of T of V plus 2W minus a third of T onto V minus W. And we know these values. So this is going to be a third of 3V minus W minus a third of 2V minus 4W, which is V minus a third of W minus 2/3 V plus 4/3 W, and we end up getting W plus a third of V. And notice it is going to be left in terms of W and V because we can't really undo that fact. We were never given any numbers to begin with. So this is our T of W. And then similarly, we can find V by just doing something similar. I'm trying to find V, so we need to cancel the W from those expressions. So I guess what I'll get is V plus 2W, and if I add 2 of the other one, it's going to cancel the W's for me, and that should give me 3V. So maybe I'll do this one a little bit differently. And so I'll just find T of 3V. Maybe save me some fractions in this one. So T of 3V is going to be T of V plus 2W plus 2T of V minus W, which I know is going to be 3V minus W plus 2V minus 4W, and I'll just clean that up to get, so 3V plus 4V is 7V, and then minus W minus 8W is minus 9W, and so that tells me that T of V is a third of that, which will be 7/3V minus 3W. And that should be my second answer.